Well, I woke up this morning and I said, it's gonna be a nice sunny day, clear skies. What do you want to do today? I thought to myself, well, how about some rust converting and seam sealing? Yay. It's gonna be a quick video. I wasn't even gonna make this video, but I started working on this here and it's so bad that I just wanted to bring you along and show you a little before and after type stuff. I'm gonna clean out, this is the rear window, and I'm gonna clean out the groove in here where the weather seal goes. I'm gonna clean that out. I'm gonna hit it with some rust converter and then some seam sealer, and then let it sit for a while. Okay, so let's get to work. Well, I just wanted to show you what I'm dealing with here. I already started in here, and you can see where I've gone through, and I've already cleaned some of this stuff out. But once you get down in here, I haven't touched, well, I have touched that, but down in here, I haven't touched any of this stuff in here. And kind of a little before and after type thing here. If I remember to do the after. But it's in pretty bad shape. And this here is kind of what you're seeing. See right up in there, I don't know if it'll focus in on it, but right up in there, you can see that there's this panel, then this piece here wraps around it, and there's a seam right there. Well, there's like RTV and stuff up in here. And anyway, I gotta clean all that out, and then I'm gonna put some rust converter in it, and then put some seam sealer in there. That's pretty bad. But it's not blown in, it's not blown through, so we got to it in time. Now, Napa's not a sponsor, but they are technically the closest car parts place to where I'm at. So here's the seam sealer I'm using. The reason I bought this was it was the cheapest they had. And it said it's seam sealer. So, matter of fact, I think it was the only seam sealer they had. And for a rust converter treatment, they had this stuff here. I've not used this stuff, but I think they're all the same. It's just a chemical reaction. So, anyway, let's get to work. Okay, we got it all cleaned up, and now I'm getting ready to do the rust conversion. This stuff here, it's not cheap, and you can't just dump it in something, use it, and then pour the unused part back, because it's a chemical process. So as soon as you get the dirt and crud in there and rust, it starts going to work, and you just can't pour it back, it'll ruin this. So, got a little cup, got an acid brush, gonna just start painting it in. Let's get at it. Okay, I read the warning label on this, and it doesn't say anything about a respirator, but it does say gloves, so gloves. To try to give you a close-up of the rust conversion process. This is strictly the rust conversion. I haven't put any other coating on top of that. In a minute here, we're going to start the seam sealing process. seam sealer in. It went in real good. Did I do it right? I'm not sure. I just used an acid brush and just kind of squished it around in there. Now I got a little mess right there, but instead of trying to clean it up now and smearing it around, I'm gonna wait till it dries and get it with a knife. Just clean it right off. Is it perfect? Nope. But again, we made progress. Thanks for watching.